At the wedding, joy was fading, empty vessels standing still. Then your mother spoke in faith, Lord, and they trusted in your will. The servants filled the jars with water, not yet seeing what you do, but you turn the ordinary into something bright and new. When my hope is running dry, when I don't know how you'll move, you still turn water into wine. You still work miracles in time. What seems empty in my hands becomes abundance by your plan. Jesus, you're the same divine, the God who turns water into wine. Where I see lack before me, you see blessings overflowing. Where I only see the problem, you are already knowing. Every need I bring before you, every burden, every fear, you are working in the silence, even when it's not yet clear. When my faith is stretched so thin, I remember what is true. You still turn water into wine. You still work miracles in time. What seems empty in my hands becomes abundance by your plan. Jesus, you're the same divine, the God who turns water into wine. You are healer, you are savior, you are faithful through the years. You are moving in the waiting, you are greater than my fears. Take these empty jars within me, fill my heart with heaven's light. You're still changing lives forever, you're still making all things right. You still turn water into wine. You still work miracles in time. Every promise